no, no. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no, no, no. My baby keeps moving like a rolling stone. Oh, oh, no.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is from Klaiyi Hair. Of course, you know they give you goodies in the bag. So I wanted to work with a cute golden blonde curly wig. She isn't too long, so for my girls that don't like long wigs, I believe she falls under 16 inches, so yeah. Shout out the pack, she's giving ramen. But the texture of this wig, she is so freaking soft. So y'all see that is the hairline before I get to plucking her. So I'm just plucking along the hairline so it doesn't give off that real boxy look. But I'm gonna be honest with y'all too. When I plucked her and I seen like the end results of me actually plucking her, I mean, it wasn't as plucked as I normally would pluck my wigs because of how the knots were. But this hairline still came through. Oh, so while I am watching this video, I did forget to show you guys what the inside of the wig looked like. Let me pull up a video of how she looks now. Like, I've worn her, y'all, when I tell you this has been my go-to wig for at least a good 2-3 weeks. Everybody has been complimenting me on the beautiful color. Like, everyone has been saying how well this wig complemented my skin complexion. So I kind of, had her on a couple of weeks and stuff. So I'm going to show y'all a quick video of the inside, so I don't want y'all to miss out on anything. She does have 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps, and of course, she has that lace in the back that you need to cut off as well. Okay, so we are putting her on. This time I am using a new cap instead of a black one. I'm using my Even Tint Spray. So that is what she's giving with the spray and with her being plucked. So I am using a razor to cut off the lace instead of scissors. Scissors give you more of a cleaner cut versus a razor will give you more of a jagged cut. So this is how she looks right on my head. I could have used a little bit more spray, but that's where my makeup will kind of come in and just finish the job. So boom, this is where I made the mistake, y'all. I should have kept this hair just like this in its natural state, just like this. I really love the wild, like big hair look. I don't know what I was envisioning when I was starting to put these wand curls in my head. Maybe I needed a smaller barrel. I don't know what type of achievement I was trying to give, like, y'all, I don't even know what I was trying to give. Them curls was not what I was expecting. I will say you need some nice holding spray to have these curls stay in place. With her being so soft, like the texture is so soft, y'all. The curls were starting to fall and it was very humid that day as well. So you will see like my hair like falling a little bit, but yes, get some good holding spray. But yeah, y'all, I really feel like I think I should have used a smaller barrel with these wand curls. So now I'm trying to like figure out, like, am I trying to do a side part, a middle part? So it was giving very much Goldilocks and the Three Bears. So how do I feel about this wig? This wig is very soft, very beautiful. I love the colors. I love how they dyed this wig, how they colored this wig. I love how easy of an install it was. The lace was very blendable. Now, with me being able to wear this for a couple of weeks, I was able to see and feel how the wig held up. So after like a couple of days, I did spot some shedding that I was kind of like, okay, this is a blonde unit. So forewarning, she does shed. There isn't any other complaints that I have with this wig. Like I told y'all, this hair color complemented my skin complexion so beautifully. I really got a lot of compliments on this hair. And I was really feeling myself, y'all. Like I've been really in a slump lately, but this wig really made me feel pretty, y'all. So that concludes today's video. Thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a couple of weeks, but y'all, life is lifing right now. And I just appreciate y'all for even coming back and watching my videos. So thank y'all. Like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.
What a day, what a day.